Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a chicken and wild rice soup. So, as you can see here, I got my soup pot with a little bit of olive oil in there, over about medium heat, and I added, again, a little bit of olive oil, a half a cup of carrots, a quarter cup of red onions, salt, pepper, and we're basically going to sweat these vegetables for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes have gone by. The veggies are sweated. So let's add about 8.5 ounces of wild rice, 2 tablespoons of flour, a teaspoon of marjoram, 4 cups of chicken stock, and then want to give this a little stir. Again, don't worry too much if you think the flour's clumping together. It'll come apart as we cook this. And then we want to add 3 cups of water. And this time I decided to go with a little whisking action, so whisk this together for a little bit. And then you want to cover this and put this on a pretty generous simmer for 15 minutes. And then you want a cup to a cup and a half of shredded cooked chicken. This is a great recipe for leftover rotisserie chicken. And then you want 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream and a 1/4 cup of milk. And then give this a stir to combine. Add salt and pepper to taste. And remember, always taste while you're cooking. And then you want to simmer this uncovered for 40 minutes. All right, so here we are at about the 30-minute mark. Now, if you like your soup a little thinner, you can pull it here. I thought it needed to thicken up just a little bit more, so I let it go to the 40-minute mark. All right, we will see everyone in 10 more minutes. All right, and now we just take a ladle, get a nice little serving of that soup in the bowl, a little bit more of the broth, and that's really it. A couple of pieces of French bread that I toasted up, and that's it. Chicken wild rice soup. Done.